Everyone. My name is Abiola. Welcome back to my channel. So tonight we are trying to create a model-driven app for a shoe boutique. We are going to make use of this Excel, the shoe stock Excel showing us this shoe stock. We're going to make the first thing first. We are going to create a database. So, but for the benefit of this training, I would like to start right from the scratch. So let's create a solution, a new solution for this. So let's call it YT training. That's the solution, and the publisher is yours truly, Abiola. So we create, as I said earlier, this is the Excel table that we are using that we are going to upload to Dataverse. Okay. So for our solution, the first thing we have now is see the solution here, white it training. You want to create a table. You want to create a table. So let's go back to our Excel. From what we can see here, we can see the product name, the title, the product number, the product category, color, price, and the like. So we can see from here that what is common to this table, the category, the product category. It's common here. So we're going to create a table for the product category so that we can link it up to the shoe stock. And also we're going to create a table for the color. So the first table that we are creating, we will call it category table. We are calling it category table. We'll click this enable attachment. So in case we want to attach anything, we'll be able to do. Then the primary column that will be category category name. Okay, so because category table already exists, yeah, so let's just say category white table. Let's call it category white table. Then the category name too. I think that will, but let's just include S because I have this another solution that has all the names. That is why we got that error. So now we have our category white table. Now we want to create the various categories that we have. So the first category from the Excel, we are using this product category. Now we have sneakers, heels, athletic, loafers, flats, Oxford, sandals. So let's just do few to preserve our time. So the first is sneakers, and remove then loafers and heels. Oh, did I miss that? I think I made an error. Okay. So we move to let's do the last one. Okay, so let's use the last one. Let's just call that flat. So we have just four. So the next thing we'll do now is so that you'll be able to use our this table that we have created. We go under the view form so that we can publish it. What we don't want this to show. Okay, on that we go to the active category, white the table. Okay, so the only thing we want say is our category names. We don't want the created one, so we can remove that and just have the category name. Then after that, we save and publish. Okay, so after we just go back now, we go back to our tables. We've made the category table. And another table that we want us to make now is the shoe stock. We want to make the shoe stock table. Okay, so we call this show. I'm not going to spell this talking full. Like I told you earlier, I have all these things existing already. So this will be title. The primary column here should be the title number. Then, oh, I think, okay. So here we'll make it optional. We'll make it business required. Okay, should stock already exists. So let's just include an S. So we go under the column now. For the shoe stock, we can from the Excel we can see that we have several columns. We have the title, the product name, the product number, product category, color, list price, size, and the like. So we'll take all this one by one. We can just put it side by side for easy to make it easy for us to view, so that to make it easy for us to navigate within the two, because we're going to create the column one after the other now. So here we have new column. So the first one we want to, oh, now let's edit the primary column we have first. That's our title. So this is the primary column. So let's edit that. So title is going to be number. It's not single line of text. It's going to be number. Then the number should be okay. Number. Okay, number. Please permit me to just. I want to close this. I would like to edit it again. Two number. Apologies. So that is what we are picking, not all number. So because the way the number is, we have 680, 681. So um let's just make this one. Then the seed value. So the seed value should be 3. Then let's just it's sorry. So I want to be sure. So we save that. So we have our title now. That is fine. So the next thing is we are creating the next column, which is the product name. We'll just do it for. So the next column is the product name. The product name, that is single line of text. That is just single line of text and it's optional. We save that. Then the next one will be product number. So the way this is, it's not is a single line of text because it has a previous before it. So we just save it as single line of text. So the next one we are having is the next column now that Excel is the product category. Remember that we created a table earlier. We created the table earlier. So this is product category now. Remember we created the table earlier. So this is going to look up to the table that we created earlier. Let me expand this so that you can see this clearly. It's going to look up to that product category, product table that we, so this we will pick the table, the one we created earlier. We call that category YT table. I remember that was what we gave it. category white table. That is